welcome everybody. And as you can see, here is our logo. The chain bridge on Mars. Maybe a strange view, but it represents to connect Earth and Mars regarding the knowledge, and somehow to connect East and West in Europe regarding the work in planetary science. So as probably all of you know, the average atmospheric water vapor content of Mars is about 10 precipitable millimeter. So we are far better on the Earth, it's obvious. And regarding the temperature, we are also better, but not so much. Yesterday it was 26 plus in the early morning, but now it is about 18, but still plus. So we are still better than Mars, especially both in temperature and in water vapor content. So here is the logo. I'm going to talk about only the logistics. So first, the second most important thing after weather, how can we eat? Okay. The lunch today will be in the so-called Dunapalota restaurant. It is about 10 minutes walk from here. We are here, and you have to go out the gate, then turn on your right, cross the street, turn right again, keep straight on, crossing one street. Then the second street is Drini, called Drini Street. Then you have to turn on the left, and there is the lunch site. Looks like this. You enter first floor. First you need to pay, then take the food, then sit down, then eat, and please start back before around 13:40, because you need to. Oh yes, time is up. Okay. Sorry. Need to get back about 2 o'clock. The price you can pay in euro or in foreign is about 6, but you can read this all information in this small booklet. Yes, inside. Okay. Then about the dinner. The conference dinner will be also here. I have to say it is only for those participants who already indicated this, and this group includes all the foreigner guests. If you have a look on your badge, on the back side of it, then you can see a dinner ticket. So for the dinner, it starts at 7 p.m. You have to go out, but then to turn left and go inside the building on its other side. So we will be in the same building, but it's very difficult to go inside the building, through the building, so we have to go around the building. Yes, the Venus transit, it's a great question. We'll be able to we'll be able to see it or not. As you may know, tomorrow early morning, very early, the Venus will transit the solar disk, and Augustin Chicano is going to talk about in the last presentation today. If you are interested, then the Polaris Observatory is welcome everybody for free this event. But as you can see, this is the map of Budapest. We are here in the center. The Polaris Observatory is up in the north in the Buda side. There is a map also in your booklet. How can you get there? And I suggest you have to be in the observatory before 6:15, very, very, very early in the morning. But it's still possible. For example, in the afternoon coffee break, we can organize group taxi travel or other issues. There is also a minibus, where we were able to manage only one minibus, and it starts from the Ibis Hotel, and there are a few free seats inside it, but it's a small one, so it would be very useful if you can manage to get there. And for the tomorrow, yes. So for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, the conference sites for the second and third day will be at the Buda Street, 45. It's a very, very large and very, very social style building. You will see it. It's very obvious. It's very tall. About 15 stairs. I can't remember exactly. You can get there from Moskva-Ter. Here is, where are you? Oh, somewhere we are here, so it's not indicated. No, here, yes. Here are we. And with the red metro line, you can go to Moskva-Ter, or Széll-Kálmán-tér, sorry, with double L, Széll-Kálmán-tér. And from Széll-Kálmán-tér, the bus number 139, you can go here with 5 stops. And keep on walking and then go inside the large building. Yes, this is the schedule for today. I think we are just, we are okay, a bit ahead in time. So in the morning, as Augustine told you, we will have 2 large overview presentation about the geology of Mars and the mineralogy of Mars. Then we will have a lunch break, 12:30. I suggest you, we should start right after the end of this lecture, so around 12:30, and we have to get back around 2 o'clock in PM. So it is possible, but we should go right after the end of the lecture. We should start for the lunch. In the afternoon session, 2 longer presentations will be about the Mars exploration rovers and the aeronomy and solar wind interactions, so magnetosphere related issues. And after the coffee break, there is Mars astrobiology session with various lectures, including geology and biology and other issues. And before the end of the day, there will be a presentation from Agustin Cicaro about the Venus transit for tomorrow. And I think during the workshop dinner and the coffee break, we have to check the satellite image and see the weather forecast, what are the chances for the tomorrow Venus transit, because unfortunately, as we will hear this afternoon, if the weather is cloudy, then we have to wait 120 years for the next Venus transit to be visible from the Earth, so it's a long time. Okay, but if your health is okay, then maybe it's possible. Okay, I think now we have 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. So if the first lecturer, Ernst Heuser, is ready, then we can put his presentation here, and at some minutes before 10 o'clock we can start. So we still have 1 or 2 minutes now.